Hey, welcome to SC Custom Designs. We wanted to throw out another promo video. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers on my channel, and we're slowly creeping up there. Emphasis on the word slowly, but we'll have patience. We had said, and we're going to stand by it, that we're going to give away a couple of Bandsaw boxes for those who are helping us get subscribers. We'll find out one way or another who you are and who you recommended, and so on and so forth. So honesty is always really one of the best things you can have in your life. So Bandsaw boxes, what are they? It can be as simple as these units here, all right, which were cut out of 4x4s. Okay, this is actually a customer order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of them, I gotta make one more. And the bottom one is 19 inches. And this is an episode in itself. If I pull that drawer out, you're gonna see 7 trays that I made out of the leftover carcass from the middle of the drawer. Okay, that's hollowed out. So that's an episode I believe I put out there. Look at the bandsaw boxes. They can be very diverse, and you can have a lot of fun with them. All right, when I say fun, this is that was just fun. Looks like a Dr. Seuss mobile. Different styles of bandsaw boxes. Pretty cool stuff. All right, so we want to thank you. We just paused for a moment to just let y'all know that we are. Actually, I did a little bit of a reorg. I was coming over here to get my small clamps, but I use these small clamps so much that I decided just to put a stick there and clamp them. Now I can just very easily grab them like this and go to work. So these, I've got 3 here that I have to glue up still. So these clamps, and I'll tell you what, when they say you don't have enough clamps, it's true. Because I only have that many clamps, and trust me, I'm going to use about 7 or 8 of them just to do the simple glue up that I got to do. And that's basically this part here, which is the drawer. Okay, so we're just going to glue that up. It is hard to work with one hand. So we just basically have to put the front and the back on this bandsaw box drawer like this. And so that's what we're doing. So bandsaw boxes, they're a lot of fun. I probably talk too much about them and whatever. But I got stung with it. I just love working with them. All right, thanks again. And again, the whole idea, I don't like self-promoting. I don't like doing it, gag. But, you know, we just want to get the word out there so we can get to the 1,000 subscriber. We're at 167 at this point. And like I said, we're coming up nice and slow. And, you know, what are you going to find in my videos? Well, let me just remind you that I try to do a video a week. Sometimes it's more than a video a week, but for sure a video a week. And we're very busy in the wood shop. The last video I did, this was an atrocious mess. I got so busy making these guys that I had a huge pile of clamps over there. That's where this idea came from. For the small ones. The other ones are over here in the wood shop. Okay, just very simple construction here. You just have 2 sticks. I call them sticks. 2 boards, one across the top, and this one here that comes down like this. And look, I can just very conveniently store them over here in this area over here of the wood shop. So my wood shop is about half of my basement, a little bit more than half, maybe 3/4 of my basement. And so this is where the magic and the creativity comes from here. And I tell you what, I'm looking forward to the day where I can do this full time. Full time would be just awesome, but at the moment, that's just not reality. But maybe I'll retire into it. So at any rate, you guys have a safe day in your shop, and we're open to questions, comments, positives, thumbs up, thumbs down. We want to hear the honest opinions of the videos. A frequent comment would be, stop shaking your camera so much. So I did buy a head camera, and that was a learning curve in itself, that head camera. But we're just trying to improve any way we can. Thanks again. I'm going to let you go. Again, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell if you like to be notified of the new videos that are coming up. And take care, and God bless, guys.